Welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about hermit crabs. Hermit crabs, masters of adaptation in a seashell suit. Imagine a creature with a soft, vulnerable body, forced to find shelter in borrowed homes. Not just any home, mind you, but the discarded exoskeletons of deceased crustaceans. This is the fascinating reality of the hermit crab, a marine invertebrate that embodies resilience, resourcefulness, and a touch of quirky charm. This essay delves into the extraordinary world of hermit crabs, exploring their biology, behavior, diverse species, and the challenges they face in a changing world. A portrait of the hermit crab. 1. Anatomy and appearance. Beneath their borrowed shells, hermit crabs have soft, segmented bodies with 10 legs, 2 of which have evolved into large claws. The larger claw, cheliped, serves for defense and food acquisition, while the smaller one, dactyl, manipulates objects. Their eye stalks and antennae peek out from the shell opening, constantly scanning their environment. 2. Shell dependence. Unlike their shelled brethren like mussels and snails, hermit crabs lack their own hard exoskeletons. This vulnerability forces them to rely on scavenging for empty shells that fit their growing bodies, a constant quest for the perfect home. 3. Habitat and distribution. Found in tropical and temperate marine environments worldwide, they occupy diverse habitats, from rocky shores and sandy beaches to coral reefs and deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Each species exhibits unique adaptations to its specific environment. Masters of resourcefulness. The life of a hermit crab is a constant cycle of finding, fighting for, and growing into new shells. But their ingenuity goes beyond just finding shelter. 1. Shell selection. Their keen sense of smell helps them locate suitable shells, considering factors like size, weight, and protection. Some species even decorate their shells with sponges, anemones, or algae for camouflage or added defense. 2. Social interactions. Though primarily solitary creatures, hermit crabs exhibit fascinating social behaviors. They sometimes engage in shell fights, competing for larger or more desirable shells. In some species, females gather before molting, providing mutual protection during their vulnerable state. 3. Symbiotic relationships. Some hermit crabs form symbiotic relationships with other creatures. Hermit crabs with anemones on their shells gain protection from predators, while the anemone benefits from increased food availability. Exploring the diversity of hermit crabs. With over 850 known species, hermit crabs exhibit extraordinary diversity. 1. Land hermit crabs. These terrestrial hermit crabs have adapted to life on land, breathing air and carrying their shells throughout their lives. They inhabit tropical forests and beaches, facing unique challenges and adaptations. 2. Deep-sea hermit crabs. Living in the cold, dark depths of the ocean, these crabs have adapted to extreme pressures and temperatures. They often have unique shell modifications and rely on bioluminescent symbionts for light and communication. 3. Giant hermit crabs. The largest hermit crab species, the coconut crab, can grow up to 1 meter in leg span and carry massive shells. They are powerful scavengers and play an important role in their ecosystems. Challenges and threats to hermit crabs. Despite their remarkable resilience, hermit crabs face increasing threats. 1. Habitat loss. Coastal development, pollution, and climate change lead to habitat destruction and degradation, impacting their food sources and shell availability. 2. Plastic pollution. Mistaking plastic debris for shells, hermit crabs get trapped and injured. Plastic accumulation also disrupts ecosystems, impacting their food sources and overall health. 3. Overexploitation. In some regions, hermit crabs are collected for the pet trade or food, putting additional pressure on wild populations. Conservation efforts and the future of hermit crabs. Fortunately, various efforts are underway to protect these fascinating creatures. 1. Marine protected areas. Creating safe havens with healthy ecosystems is crucial for the long-term survival of hermit crabs and other marine life. 2. Public awareness campaigns. Educating people about the importance of hermit crabs and the threats they face can encourage responsible behavior and support conservation efforts. 3. Sustainable practices. Reducing plastic pollution, supporting sustainable fisheries, and minimizing coastal development are essential for healthy marine ecosystems and the species that depend on them. Conclusion. Hermit crabs offer a unique perspective on nature's ingenuity and adaptability. Their lives, driven by the constant search for the perfect home, remind us of the delicate balance between creatures and their environment. By understanding their complexities and the challenges they face, we can contribute to preserving these extraordinary creatures and the ecosystems they call home. Thanks for watching.